My name is Nick Connor. I'm the Vice President of Operations for the Central Region. We're coming to you today from the Brantford site. This plant has been in existence since 1962. It's had multiple additions added onto it over the years, with the last big addition happening in 2016. 80% of our volume here would go into the residential market. A distribution for the Brantford site goes approximately all the way down to Windsor, Ontario, all the way up to Timmins and further north, and as far as Belleville. We're very fortunate in Brantford that majority of our aggregates come within 15 minutes of this plant's location. Our main cement supply also comes from St. Mary's Cement, which is about 45 minutes from Brantford. So everything for our core materials is a local supply. We're not having to have trucks drive as far to bring the materials to us. So overall, better cost, better turnaround time, lower emissions. In the last couple of years, there's been some minor improvements, specifically trying to focus on energy savings. We put in a new compressor to cut down on the energy consumption to produce our compressed air within the plant. We replaced all of the lights within the facility with new LED motion sensor lights, again, cutting down on the overall energy consumption. We have a very large seasonal curve, being that we supply the residential market. When the weather is really nice, everybody wants to be outside making improvements to their home. That causes a very large rush rate in the early summer months. So to stay on top of that high demand means that the plant has to run a lot of extra hours, getting the commitment from the employees for the overtime, and our suppliers, can they keep up with our demand?